Welcome to Anil Coding channel. Today I'll take you through downloading Python on Windows. You pick the browser of your choice. Today I'll be using Google Chrome. If you go on Google and just type in Python downloads, and a number of selections will come up. If you select the first option saying download Python from python.org. Okay, after clicking on that, the latest version will be at the top. Today's version is 3.83, Python 3.83. So if you just click on that and start the download. This will take a few seconds to complete, and when it's all finished, all you do, you just click on the file to install. Click on the Add Python path. This will be used in later videos. If you click install now, and that will start the download. This will take a few minutes depending on your system, so just be patient. And that's a setup complete, and we're ready to go. If you just close that, and we'll have a go just to make sure everything is okay. So just go on the search bar and type idle in. This will then show you the Python 3.83, the version that we just downloaded. The Python shell will then open, and we can do our first Python code. So let's go print hello world. And close the bracket, and that's your first Python code. If you want to start a new project, just click File, New File, then save it, and File, Save As. Pick a file name, and don't forget to pick the folder you want it to go in. Just try and remember where you're putting it, because this is where you'll access it when required. Give it a file name that you'll remember also, and make the file name whatever you want it to be. I'll just call this one first project. Using underscore to separate words is a best practice used in Python by Python programming. And don't forget to put .py just to tell what type of file it is. And we'll run the same code. Hello world, print hello world. Hello. And don't forget to close your bracket to let it run. And that will then run in the shell. If you click run and run module, save it, which will give you can also save it before you run it by pressing Ctrl S or file and then save, and then you run it, or F5, and there you go. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching Anil Coding channel, and I'll see you next time.